All right, let's proceed further. This time I'm going to teach you how to change password. For that, you go to type passwd and then the username. Okay, just key in the password. Alright, in Unix, when you type in the password, the characters are hidden. You don't see the number of characters. Alright, okay. Right, so now we know some fundamentals already. Okay, let's proceed. Alright, by just creating a file from the prompt. You can use the CAT. CAT has multiple functions. You can use CAT with the redirection operator and then the file name, for example, test. So then you can start typing. Okay, this is test sh. Control C to go to exit. Now you can check whether the file is there. Yes, indeed, there's a file. Of course, let me clear this and try one more time. Okay, now this file belongs to an account and belongs to a group staff. All right, and this file has the user has the rights to read and write. The group has the read rights, and the last three public or others have got the read rights. So by default, it gives you RW, R and R, which is a U, G and O, user, group and others. Right. You can also use the editor to edit the file. I'm using Nano. Alright, so if you want to edit, you can edit, and you can add another line. Say, for example, this is once again test message using Nano editor. So you can press Ctrl O to write and Ctrl X to exit. So you will notice the bytes are different now. Previously it was 22, now it's 24. This is a time, date and time created. Right. Now let's see whether you can make a copy of this file by using CP. CP is basically to copy, so I'm going to take a backup of test to test.bak. It can be any file name. So if you can, yeah, by just issuing ls-l, you can see two files. And of course, if you want to rename, you can rename by typing mv test.bak to, let's say, test 2. Right. If you want to make a change, test to test 1, you can do that. So you can reconfirm by typing ls. You have test 1 and test 2 now. Alright, clear it first. Let's also check this link. This is a very powerful command which gives you symbolic links to files. Perhaps you'll have a real-time link to the second file. For example, let's demonstrate that. I have test 1, test 2. Okay, let's make test 1. Okay, the source is test 1 and I want to make it as test1.ln as a link file. So if you check the bytes, yeah, they are the same. But if you're going to change something in test 1, let's say this is third line, right? Control O to save and Control X, right? So let's ls -l and check. Yeah, you can see that the test1 and the test1.ln are linked because of this particular line. So when you make changes in the test1, the test1.ln also will be affected. So you can notice the bytes 9393, and of course the file which you copied earlier, 74, still remains the same. So link is very powerful. You want to make a real-time backup. We just say it's a soft link or hard links actually, but more links we will discuss in the future classes. All right, now let's proceed with the rm command. Rm is basically to remove file, remove directory. So in this case, I'm going to remove, let's say test2. So I can just type rm test2. So by reconfirming, yes, the file has been deleted. Right. So rm is basically just to remove a file or directory. Perhaps rm is, in fact, is very powerful. If I type cd space dot dot, it goes back to the previous folder. Now I'm not anymore in try, but apparently if I ls try, it gives the files in that try folder. So if I were to use rmdir try, well, you can't, because the directory is not empty. But if you really want to delete that try folder with 1000 directories, you can enforce it like this way. Rm minus R is recursive, F is force, and then the directory name is try. So with that, actually that directory try would have deleted, definitely, right? If you want to check, you can ls try and say, yeah, no, there's no such file directory because you have just got deleted that. All right. So whatever that you have done, it's gone. Okay. So just be careful when you introduce rm minus rf. It's not recommended, but anyway, just revisit rm. You can see here minus r, minus f. So minus r is recursively removes directories and subdirectories. That means whatever directories and subdirectories you have in that folder will be also deleted. Removes files, minus f is, even if it's write protected, that's very dangerous to do it. So you just got to be very, very careful when you use minus rf. All right, so I think we will stop here. So you just have to keep practicing this. We will come back for further new commands in the next video.